Boom. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's just gonna be another short video right here, but I'm just gonna be replacing my screen protector because, as I said in the last video, you guys know how I've been through a lot of cases. This is another case right here, my new case. Boom. Oh, let's not show you that right there. You can see my screen protector is cracked right there. If you can't see it, let me see if I can see it. Yeah, it's kind of hard to get to it, but it's cracked right there on the top. But I've been through a lot of screen protectors because I don't like these little micro scratches that my microfiber towels put on there, and it gets a lot of scratches and stuff like that. But anyway, I'm gonna go. There's actually a real crack right there this time. Oh, you can see it right there. You can see it. There it goes, right there. See that? Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started right here. This is probably one of the hardest things. Well, it was one of the hardest things for me to actually do, because these things, like, you only got one shot, just like Eminem. You only got one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow, right? So there's only one. Let's make the camera set up right here. There's only one of these screen protectors in the case, and this one right here is the privacy protector right here, but they didn't have any more, so I got the regular one, because I don't like looking at ugly little cracks on my phone. So let me try to peel this case right here off, because you guys know these cases, they will bend very easily, and I hate that. Okay, that one's still good. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and get started with this. See if I'm in the shot. Here we go. Yeah, I'm in the shot. Okay, so normally, let me go ahead and open this case right here to make sure we got everything we need. I just got 2 microfiber towels, and there is a twist to this one. I'm actually making it harder for myself because there's an AC vent right over us, so it's blowing all kinds of lint, and that's gonna be a real tricky part about this. But I'm just gonna break that open. Okay, there we go. Boom. Now we got what we need. This is the screen protector right here. Do not play with this. Do not open it at all. Just leave it right here how it is until you actually get ready to slap that on the screen. This one is the regular. Like I said, it's not the privacy screen protector, but okay. So here's the back of it right there. Boom. That's what you want to slap on right there. Don't play with that. Leave that alone. Pause on that. Now, boom. You got this. This is probably the most useful thing in the whole kit, because they don't have a wait. They don't. Oh yeah, they do. Okay, they got a little wet wipe for you. Don't really think I need it. Now you're probably thinking, since this one's so perfect, I'll put this one on, of course, because I'm good at these now. Since this one's so perfect, you can just peel it off, put another one on. That's not always the case. Since I have a lot of shit right here, I have a lot of stuff. It's probably going to mess up a little bit. So let me get my hand out the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this one up, and I'm probably not gonna be talking to the camera because I'm gonna concentrate a little bit. Okay, that's up right there. That's up. All right. Just in case, we're gonna go ahead and take this out right here. I normally keep these, but they're kind of ruined after you use them for the first. Look at that. I'm gonna show y'all the. Show y'all how. Ooh, it's gonna come off just like that. Look, see, there's already shit on here. So I'm just gonna clean it off. Now the hardest part for me is putting it on, and also I don't have a lot of light right here. But anyway, also lining it up. I'm over here talking. I should be quiet. Shut up and just do this. So what I do when you got a lot of shit that just keeps popping up like that, look what I do right here. I just kind of wipe it like that until there's nothing. One time this took me about 30 minutes just wiping like this, because I had to make sure everything was off. Okay, okay, we got it on here. But as y'all know, as y'all know, I'm just trying to line it up. I'm all in the way of the camera. I'm sorry about that. And here's the actual test right here. You can see it's starting to come down. And if we don't have any gap bubbles, boom, look at that. Look at that. Hey, I'm good at this now. I used to just buy these and just take them to the phone store or whatever, let them put it on. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. Now you can see this is obviously not the privacy screen protector like this one was right here. But here, I'm gonna show y'all right now. Sorry about that. Boom. You can see it right there. Look at that. See that crack right? Look. See? Look. Look at that. Man. This one's actually thicker than this one, so I don't know. I saw this last night. I don't know how this happened, but look at that. Look, you can see. Look, you can see it now. But look at that, y'all. Boom. First try right here. First try, got it on the first try. Now all you do really is, I'm just gonna wipe my phone off because I like to wipe my phone off. Make sure it's clean before I put it in the case. You can see these little micro scratches on the side. I don't know if you can see these little micro scratches on the side of the phone. That shit kind of bothers me, but that's just for me taking it off and out of the case, in and out of the case. You know, you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a lot of micro scratches on this phone because of the cases. They've been scratching it up because I've been taking it out of the case. And boom, now we're gonna get our white silicone case right here. And I don't know how to put it in. I just kind of slide it in on one side and just pray it doesn't bend it. Boom, there you go. Right there, look at that. Boom. So now my phone is crackless again. It's got a brand new screen on it, and it's even centered. Look at that. Centered it. You can see right there. That's what I was looking at. That's why I was so quiet. I was trying to look at it and make sure it was centered. And boom, everything is good. No bubbles, nothing like that. If you got bubbles, you probably, to be honest, if you have bubbles on here, you probably ruined it, because when it's a bubble, it's a piece of lint stuck behind it, and you can't really try to peel it off or nothing like that with your fingernail, because it's just gonna crease it and just fuck it up even more. But yeah, look at that. Ooh, whoo. Back to my phone again. Back to my white iPhone. I love that. And after that, you're good to go. Just make sure I use different types of. See, the reason why I kept replacing these at first, like they didn't really have a big crack like this. They just had a lot of scratches on them, like tiny little scratches you could see. And the reason why is because I was using the same towels that I would use on my cars on here, on my phone. So it would make a lot of little micro scratches and stuff like that. So I started using different towels. You guys know I use the blue towels and stuff like that, stuff like these, and it fixed it. So now I have scratchless screen protectors and everything's good to go. Even though this one's not the one I just had on there, but you look at that micro scratch on the top of the phone right there. That's what it was doing to my screen protectors. So I scratched my phone a little bit, but it's all good though. As long as this phone still works just fine, looks beautiful. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this meaningless video. I'm just showing you guys how I mastered putting on these screen protectors. Boom, look at that right there. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's it.